Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I shift this high ponytail. This is actually an inspiration I got from Pinterest. So first of all, we'll be working on a clean, washed, stretched hair, and we'll be sectioning our hair into two parts. The bigger part at the back and the smaller part in the front. This is to enable us to, have slicked and laid down hair, and also this also will help us. The process of doing this will also help you to protect your edges to prevent you from pulling your front hair uh too much at the back. So after sectioning our hair into two parts, we'll be using our dark and lovely gel. I love this gel so much. I don't know, like it's so good. It slicks down your hair the way you want it. So what I did basically is to apply the gel around my hair. Yes, apply a generous amount around my hair. Then I go in with my comb and with my brush. Your comb and your brush is going to be one of the most important things you'll be making use of, because it is your comb and brush that will enable you to get that slickiness that you're looking for. So after applying the gel at the back section of the hair, we're going to start by sectioning out the back, because we want it to have the two bank at both sides. So we're going to be sectioning out hair for that, and the rest will be slicking them backwards. So after slicking it all back, I'll be tying it down with my scarf. Yes, tying down with my silk scarf, and also using my blow dryer to dry it. I'll be making use of my expression to create the high ponytail. So the technique is once you place your hair into the braids attachment, you start folding it. Once you start folding it, the hair start folding by itself. All you need to do is now to create the placement starting from the upper part, you go down. So when I get to the bottom of it, I'm going to use my comb it and then use my cotton pickle spray to hold it down. So for the bang section, I'm gonna section it into two parts. Then I'm gonna use my protectant cream, apply on it, then stretch my hair. After stretching my hair, then I'm gonna get uh my braids and my ribbon. Then I'm gonna apply glue. So for me, what I did was just to place the attachment into my on top of my hair and cut it. Then apply glue on all of them so that as I'm applying this, the next one they're getting sticky and sticky and sticky so that I don't have to apply this, wait, apply this. So I just apply them at once, then I start placing them. It's faster.